Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming you actually have an iPad 1 and a working backup, because this device is old and updates are limited. Connect it to your computer with a reliable USB cable. Once connected, open iTunes or Finder and create a full backup so you can restore if something goes wrong. Make sure the battery is above 50% or keep the iPad plugged in. This prevents interruptions that could brick the device. Now you're ready to check for software options. Once you've backed up, look in iTunes or Finder for an available update. Apple often stops over-the-air updates for the iPad 1, so you may need a manual IPSWA file. If you use an IPSWA, download the model-specific firmware, and in iTunes press Option/Shift+Update to pick the file, then follow on-screen prompts. If the device is unresponsive, put it into recovery mode by holding Home and Power until the recovery screen shows. Then choose Update rather than Restore to preserve data. You finish by restoring your backup in iTunes or Finder so your data, settings, and compatible apps return to the iPad. If the update fails, don't panic. Try recovery mode again, swap the USB cable or port, or attempt the process on a different computer to rule out host issues. Be aware why. Hardware limits mean the iPad 1 won't support modern apps or security updates, so plan to use it for legacy apps, media, or offline tasks when the update completes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.